All right, so I'm gonna try something a little bit different today. This is Jose over at CSM Fitness. You guys know me. That's my son Enzo. He's working filing right now. He's doing his filing thing. Say what's up, Enzo.
Hello.
We're a little enthusiastic.
Good morning.
There you go. All right. So I'm just gonna. This is just a little behind the scenes as to what we do on a regular basis. Today is a pretty simple day. It's out. It's rainy. It's really not much going on. Phone's still going off though, which is good. Today we got like an employee meeting. The guys are gonna be going on deliveries. Actually, just one delivery. It's a pickup and a delivery at the same time. And then they're going to be assembling a pretty cool piece, a body core hip thrust, the Selectorized one, which I kind of wanted to show off to people so they could see what it is. And that's about it. So we'll just kind of like, do something where you guys look at some of what goes on a daily basis. No? Right there. That's upside down.
Huh?
Oh, just.
You want to flip that? It's not supposed to be like that.
Yeah, you don't want to mess up the bolts on the bottom. Just like some bolts. See those nuts? They get messed up. Wait for Miles. Damn it, Miles.
It's the same thing.
Damn it, Miles. Oh, you brung. All right, cool. All right, you made up.
Never mind. You're clear.
You made up. We were about to rail you just now.
What the?
Being late to the meeting. All right. No, so I just want to make habit of doing these. That's all.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? We do have a new title, Killer of the Week. It's gonna be Kyle. He worked 62 hours in 1 week.
He's like,
I don't even know. Like, we did have some go backs. We're down to a minimum. Some of them were that we didn't count the inventory correctly when we loaded it. Pretty simple. We just got to pay attention to where it says pairs versus singles.
Do you kind of go back like when we bring something and we don't have it yet?
No.
Okay.
That's already worked into the.
Yeah,
that's
I
already
didn't know if you
worked
counted
into the deal. So like for example, like the abductor machine for Elizabeth Elliott, that's gonna go. We already knew that was gonna happen. So go back is when we up based on we messed somewhere up. All right.
Yeah.
So so we have to pay attention. So whenever we're separating stuff, if the weights say pairs, make sure you load pairs. If for whatever reason it doesn't say a pair, then it's my fault because it should say pairs.
For dumbbells is what you're talking
Dumbbells or plates.
Oh, plates.
Because you'll notice a lot of the plates come in pairs, like the
about. Yeah, 5s, 10s.
5s, 10s comes in pairs.
It might be easier to just say the exact amount of the dumbbells you need, because when you're working with the bigger ones.
I mean, if I say full set of 5 to 50,
Yeah, we know it's
then
pairs.
we know it's
of all
pairs.
Yeah.
But if it says 25s,
Yeah, we should know it's
we
two
should know it's a
25s.
pair. Because
Nobody just
most
wants
people
one
just gonna buy
25.
one.
Yeah.
I'll specifically say one dumbbell. I think if that comes up in the
and
future.
if that usually if somebody's getting one dumbbell, they'll
Yeah.
probably just come here to get it.
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, hey, who the hell's shipping one dumbbell?
Yeah,
Having
exactly.
to drop it off. That's
Yeah.
insane. What else? Any other? We had a red part right here. Yep. Boom. And then this one right here. The adjustments right here on the side.
There we go.
All right. Now try it. Hold on. Try that. Cool. So Body core. Hold on, let me get on here over here. Body core, selectorized hip thrust. It's their the GR624. Great pieces. This one came with a 220. It comes with a 220 stack standard. You could upgrade it to a 300-pound stack if you want to. I think 220 is plenty to start for anybody. This is great for a gym, a personal training studio, or if you want to put one in your home. I guess if you really want to get those monster glutes, why not? Well, anyway, so far, that's just kind of been our day. Enzo, you get all the filing done?
Yeah, I also vacuumed. Hello.
You also vacuumed?
Yeah. Hello. World.
Okay. Hello, world. You get your work done today?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yep.
All right. New guy? All right.
New guy.
He's still the new guy. He's the newest guy, so we got to call him the new guy. Yeah, so this has kind of been, you know, a pretty uneventful day, but got a couple deliveries done, and right now we're working on a big project. So once that's all said and done, I'll fill you guys in. Enzo, what do you think about your first job? What do you think of your first job? Your first actual job?
I think-
paychecks.
I think money.
So
Because
vacuuming ain't
if
so
I
bad?
think if I think anything else besides money, I'll think this sucks really bad.
Oh, stop! This doesn't suck.
I know it doesn't suck. I'm just joking.
All right.
This is good.
All right, so one of the things that nobody ever talks about with this job is the type of toll it takes on your body. I've been doing this for about 23, 24 years, maybe 25. I'm losing count. And it really hurts. And I'm still recuperating from last week. So, like, my number one tool right now is to use an inversion table. I think it works. It helps take the pressure off my lower back. So yeah, if you ever are looking to save your back a little bit, this might be like one of the things you could do, where you kind of just hang upside down, and yeah, it's not fancy or anything, but it seems to work, and I like it. Looking up, looking down. All right, so this time of the day is usually the last hour of the day. I clean up all our emails. I go through like old stuff that I got to go through, and get back to anybody I haven't gotten back to, and that is it. Now, this is not my typical day at work. So our typical day could be anything. We could be out on the road. We could technically be on installation. We could be on a site survey. Sometimes I'm in the warehouse. I mean, it just really depends on a regular basis. But this is just kind of like, you know, we tried vlogging before, and I don't know if it does anything for people out there who actually watch the channel or potentially looking to buy equipment from us here at CSM. We're, you know, it's just a, you know, small business. You know, we do the best we can for all of our customers, and you know, we just continue to do that. And you know, it's important to us that we keep up. And a lot of people just buy stuff online, and they don't know how to put a face to the name, or they don't even know if they're buying from a real person. They just, you know, they think it's like Amazon. You kind of add to cart, and that's pretty much it. But this is just kind of us trying to like humanize, so you guys know who you're talking to, who you're dealing with when you call us, when you see us. Yeah, so, you know, like, subscribe if you like the content, and I'll keep these going. I don't know if I'm going to do vlog style stuff like this. I know we're still working on the home gym right now, so we're going to be painting and rebuilding that. Hopefully sometime next week we start doing that. And then yeah, so I'm out. I'm Jose, and this is CSM Fitness. And I hope you enjoy these few minutes that, you know, we put together here for YouTube and Instagram and every other, you know, social media we deal with. So I am out. Peace.